So if you follow our channels, which I'm sure you do, you'll be aware that StarGB in the UK have an event coming up, an open house on October the 8th, 9th and 10th. I'm with Matt Lee here. We're at EMO 2019 in Hanover in Germany, and we're looking at a new machine that's just been launched, which is also going to be at the open house. Wow, that was a long opener. Right, here we go, Matt. Tell us about the machine here, this 38mm machine, and what people can expect to see in the UK with this model.
Okay, so this is a brand new model for us. So another machine to add to our 38mm range. Turret and platen arrangement on the main spindle. There's a lot more power in this machine than the older machines that we've got in the range. So 11 kilowatts on main and sub spindle, but not only that, you've got a lot of weight.
What's it replacing, or is it replacing? What was its predecessor?
So its predecessor would be like the SV38R, which we've been making for many years now. It's just an evolution of that. So a lot of things been learned from it. So where to load the machine is all from the front now. A lot more power in both spindles as well as on the driven tools.
So if you were a user of that previous technology, what are the differences that you would experience then? You mentioned one or two there. Are they mainly the key ones, the loading and maybe more power?
Yeah, more power, more tooling options. There's a lot more capability on this machine. You can take 42mm bar through both spindles, so it's guide bush, non-guide bush, so it's a great machine to work on.
Is this just another example of Star innovating to give people more flexibility, to be able to bridge that gap between fixed head turning and sliding head turning again?
Absolutely. So also if attacking those complex jobs where you're having to put it on multiple machines, the capability of this machine will help with that as well.
Is it faster? Is it quicker? Are we going to get reduced cycle times if we're using the existing technology that you talked about with this new machine? Will we get faster parts off the machine?
Yeah, you'd expect it to be faster. So the latest drives and controls on there, everything's going to be that little bit faster than the older machines.
Good stuff. What else can people see at the open house, Matt? Just to remind us, there'll be plenty of other machines there, won't there? Also some of your software innovations.
That's right, we've got software, so we've got our Smoothie machine monitoring software will be set up on our machines. We've got automation as well, so that's quite a new thing for us, but it's the automation industry is growing so much more, so we want to be part of that.
Okay, good stuff. Well, we'll see you again, Matt, on October the 8th, 9th and 10th. And that's probably where you need to be as well if you're interested in turning, CNC turning. You'll be able to see this 38mm machine and more at Star's Open House in Derby on October the 8th, 9th and 10th. Register their website, stargb.com.